This is an ESG Video Capsule. IT insights in 140 seconds or less.
Hi, I've recently been thinking all about the Internet of Things. And what does that possibly mean besides some of the interesting yet sort of crazy and hard to fathom reality stories like, oh, my fridge realized I was out of milk and it not only told me, but it looked at my calendar and it knew that this was the perfect time for me to be buying milk because I was traveling tomorrow and that would be too late. And oh, by the way, it knew which path I was taking because it knows my way home. And it told me that not only do I need milk, but I should go buy it at Stop and Shop or some other store because they had the best deal on the milk that I like to have. That's cool. Then that's gonna happen if it's not already happening. But that's not the big picture. What I'm thinking more about right now is for all the sensor data to be inputted in the example that I just used, that's one stream of consciousness. There's a certain amount of vendors that might be involved in that and a certain amount of sensors that might be involved in that. But what happens when everything is censored? And I think what's going to be really interesting is that at some point in time in the future, and I have no idea when, someone is going to make just a ridiculous amount of money by being the single Uber repository for all types of sensor data. So Amazon of data, if you will, that can broker out any request for any query from anything on the planet at any given time. Imagine that for a minute. The world's single greatest multi-gazexabyte database all in one place at a brokered service that maybe if I input, I can output for free in that case, but Amazon can now take that data and also sell it to anybody else or whoever it is, Google, etc. Heady stuff.